Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're out at the canal. We're gonna be doing some fishing. Got my new GoPro. It's a little windy, so hopefully the fish are gonna be pretty happy and very wanting to bite. Got a jackhammer stealth blade on my Corrado. Strike King Sexy Dog topwater. And a giant paddle tail swim bait. So, yeah, let's get fishing.
The big boy.
Yeah.
Feel that on the end of it. Holy,
What?
Did you see the splash it made?
Yeah.
Oh, I got hit.
Actually? Are you on?
No. Did you see that? That was
No.
not for me.
You just broke this tail!
No, something bit it.
And you lost both eyes.
Something destroyed it. It could have been a catfish.
Let me see. Look what he just did to it. He just broke the tail off of it. And both of the eyes. What the heck, dude? That was the only one I had. Looks like I gotta get the gold and black one from Dennis.
Something destroyed that sucker.
Alright, guys, I just tied on a giant mega dog. That's it compared to my hand, the entire size of my hand. And, yeah, cut the that big swim bait off. I took Blake's mega dog.
You can hear that. It's not even under the
Big. Dude, this is a big one. This is a big one. Yes. Oh, I thought he was pulling drag good. He's still a good fish. Oh my god. This is still a really nice fish. No. Stay down. Yeah, grab the tripod real quick.
I'm running. Hang on.
Oh, that's a nice one. Dude, that's a nice one. Right as I wasn't it. That's a 2-pounder. There you go, guys. Nice 2-pounder.
On the chatterbait.
On the chatterbait. Oh my god, dude. He was pulling drag too. You heard that?
Mm-hmm. His eye's a little bleeding.
Is it? Oh, it is bleeding a little bit. Got him in the eye. But there we go. That's a good sized fish. He fought hard. Right as I wasn't expecting it to. Dude, that was a nice one. Like, what the hell is happening there? There's a chip taken out of my eye. Come look. That's why my line's all frayed. My line just broke.
Do you have a line in there?
No. Oh my god. No way, dude. Look at the tip of the eye. Look at the tip of the eye.
Oh.
You see that?
Yep.
I'm snagged and I've got, god damn it, I dropped the line. And I've got ants in my thing. I gotta run over here and get this unsnagged. God dang it, man. Free spool, free spool, free spool, free spool, free spool. I'll keep going. Come on, get off. That's weird. I don't know how that happened. I'll probably hit the concrete or something and then come on, man. Now I've got to spend $100 on a rod. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to like and subscribe. Tell me if y'all like this new 2-camera angle type thing, because I've got the tripod and I've got my GoPro to record with my chest mount. So yeah, that's gonna be hopefully a lot better for my content for my YouTube channel. I am fishing whatchamacallit, the high school bass tournaments on a bass boat, so that'll be cool. I can't record the tournaments on my phone, but I was lucky enough to be able to get a GoPro, so I will be able to record those for y'all. I actually have a tournament coming up the day that this video is going to be going up, and yeah, see y'all on the next one. Peace.